Here you can see this is Tplink C50 AC1200 router. How to configure as access point mode for Mikrotik hotspot users. Let's see. First of all, you just open a browser and log in with existing default IP address, which is 192.168.0.1, or you can type here tplinkwifi.net. Then create a password. I'm creating a password. Password length will be 6 to 32 character. Must be contain at least two types of the following, and repeat the new password again. Then click on let's get started. After that, just go to change mode, click on it. From here, just click on access point mode, click on it, and then press OK. After that, your router will be reboot, and just click here and router will be reboot. This router take several time for rebooting. Just wait until reboot completed. After rebooting, just type here again your newly generated password. Then press login. After that, just click on next. Here you can see dual band router. I'm just give a SSID service Wi-Fi. Just copy this and paste here 2.4G. Also, I will paste 5G SSID and 2 band SSID will be same, and then press on OK, then press next. After restarting Wi-Fi, then click on finish. Then go to Wi-Fi settings, click on Wi-Fi signal. Here you can see the Wi-Fi SSID has been set and 2.5G also same name, SSID same name. You just click on security option. From this menu, just click on none and go to 5G option and go to security option. It will be none. Then press and recheck again and press save. After save, successfully save, then go to here you can see, just click on Wi-Fi signal. Here you can see the power-based Wi-Fi has been appeared here. That means your router has been configured perfectly. Just log out from here. That's it. After successfully completed your router configuration, just connect your router like this. I'm just showing you a video. Here you can see just your cable will be connect one port and another port will be connect your hotspot port or any internet port. That's it. Thanks for watching.